ओम श्री कृष्ण शरणं मम गोपिका जीवन स्मरणं गोविंदा गोविंदा सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। शुक्लांभरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। नमो नमः सद्गुरुभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो नमः सद्गुरुभ्यो नमो नमः। सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय विश्वोत्पत्त्यादिहेतवे तापत्रय विनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नुमः। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरह कातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। यस्वानुभावमखिल श्रुतिसारमेकम् अध्यात्मदीपम् अतितितीर्षतां तमोन्धं संसारिणां करुणयाः पुराणगुह्यं तं व्याससूनुम् उपयामि गुरुं मुनीनां। योगीन्द्राय नमस्तस्मै शुकाय ब्रह्मरूपिणे संसार सर्पदष्टं यो विष्णुरातममुमुचते कालव्यालमुखग्रास त्रास निर्नाश हेतवे श्रीमद्भागवतं शास्त्रं कलौकीरेण भाषितं एतस्मादपरं किञ्चित् मनःशुद्ध्यै न विद्यते जन्मान्तरे भवेत् पुण्यं तदा भागवतं लभेत्। ज्ञानवैराग्यसम्पूर्णान् हरिभक्तिपरायणान् पूर्वाचार्यातहं वन्दे सम्प्रदायप्रवर्तकान्। भगवन्नाम साम्राज्य लक्ष्मी सर्वस्वविग्रहं श्रीमद्बोधेन्द्रयोगीन्द्र देशिकेन्द्रम् उपास्महे। कलिकालोचितं धर्मं नाम संकीर्तनात्मकं निर्णेतुमवतीर्णं तं प्रेमिकं सद्गुरुं भजे। हरे रामेति कृष्णेति नाम संकीर्तनं सदा लोकक्षेमाय कुर्वन्तं प्रेमिकं सद्गुरुं भजे। जन्माद्यस्य यतोऽन्वयादितरतश्चार्तेषभिज्ञस्वराट् तेने ब्रह्महृदाय आदिकवये मुह्यन्ति यत्सूरयः तेजो वारिमृदां यथा विनिमयो यत्र त्रिसर्गो मृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तकुहकं सत्यं परं धीमहि। धर्मः प्रोज्झितकैतवोऽत्र परमो निर्मत्सराणां सतां वेद्यं वास्तवमत्र वस्तु शिवदं तापत्रयोन्मूलनं। श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते किं वा परैरीश्वरः सद्यो हृद्यवरुध्यतेऽत्र कृतिभिः शुश्रूषिभिस्तत्क्षणात् निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं शुकमुखात् अमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। श्रीमद्भागवताख्योऽयं प्रत्यक्षः कृष्ण एव हि स्वीकृतोऽसि मया नाथ मुख्यर्थं भवसागरे। मनोरथो मदीयोऽयं सफलः सर्वथा त्वया निर्विघ्नेनैव कर्तव्यो दासोऽहं तव केशव। श्रीहरये नमः श्रीहरये नमः श्रीहरये नमः। गोपिका जीवन स्मरणं गोविंदा गोविंदा सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।
Sorry.
Priya and Meera are here, so anyway, they can't see you, but
we are very sincere. We are attending in-person class, people.
all right.
Done, Priya.
Okay, so we'll do a review of the 14, right, from 28, from 29, and then the 15 also. So maybe Atte, Gomatete, can you do one, and then Sabita, you can do the other one.
Yeah, sure. So from which to which stanza?
3.14 from 29.
I will do the first one, and he
Okay.
can do the second one, Auntie. Om Maitreya Uvacha Saivam Samvidite Bhatra Manmatonmathitendriya Jagraha Vaso Bhatishehe Vrishali Gatatrapa
Brahmarshehe, and the second line before the
Jagraha Vaso Brahmarshehe Vrishali Gatatrapa Saviditvat भार्याया तं निर्बन्धं विकर्मणि नत्वादिष्टाय रहसि तयाथोपविवेशः
Then bharyaya visarga irukku. Okay, first line left.
Oh, okay, I missed that. सविदित्वात भार्यायाः तं निर्बन्धं विकर्मणि नत्वादिष्टाय रहसि तयाथोपविवेशः अतोपस्पृश्य सलिलं प्राणानाम् आम्यम्य वाग्यतः ध्यायन् च चापविरजं ब्रह्मज्योतिः सनातनं दितिस्तु व्रीडिता तेन कर्मावद्येन भारत उपसंगम्य विप्रशिर्म अधो मुख्यव्यभाषत दितिरुवाच मामे गर्भमिमं ब्रह्मन् भूतानां ऋषभो वदीत् रुद्रः पतिर्हि भूतानां यस्याकरवमं हसम् नमो रुद्राय महते देवायोग्राय मीढुषे शिवाय न्यस्तदण्डाय धृतदण्डाय मन्यवे स नः प्रसीदतां भामो भगवानुर्वनुग्रहः व्यादस्याप्यनुकम्प्यानां स्त्रीणां देवः सतीपतिः मैत्रेय उवाच स्वसर्गस्याशितं लोक्याम् आशासानां प्रवेपतीं निवृत्तसन्ध्यानियमो भार्यामाह प्रजापतिः कश्यप उवाच अप्रायत् यात् आत्मनस्ते दोषान् मौहूर्तिकादुत मन्निदेशाचारेण देवानां चातिहेलनात् भविष्यतस्तवा भद्रौ अभद्रे जाठराधमौ लोकान् सफलां स्त्रीश्चण्डी मुहुराक्रन्दयिष्यतः.
Second line, Savita, second line. Lokan sapalans asan palam strin chandi.
Okay. Lokan sapalans strin chandi muhurakrandayishyatah. Correct?
Yeah.
प्राणिनां हन्यमानानां दीनानां अकृतागसां स्त्रीणां निगृह्यमाणानां कोपितेषु महात्मसु तदा विश्वेश्वरः क्रुद्धो भगवान् लोकभावनः हनिष्यत्यवतीर्यासौ यथाद्रीन् शतपर्वधृक् तितिरुवाच वधं भगवता साक्षात् सुनाबोधार बाहुना आशासे पुत्रयोर्मह्यं मा क्रुद्धात् ब्राह्मणात् विभो न ब्रह्मदण्डदग्धस्य न भूतभयदस्य च नारकाश्चानुगृह्णन्ति यां योनिमसौ गतः. कश्यप उवाच कृतशोकानुतापेन सद्यः प्रत्यवमर्शनात् भगवद्युरुमाणाच्च भवे मय्यपि चादरात् पुत्रस्यैव तु पुत्राणां भवितैकसतां मतः गास्यन्ति यद्यशुद्धं भगवत् यशसा समम् योगैर्हेमेव दुर्वर्णं भावयिष्यन्ति साधवः निर्वैरादिविरात्मानं यच्छीलमनुवर्तितुं यत्प्रसादादिदं विश्वं प्रसीदति यदात्मकं सस्वदुग्भगवान् यस्य तोष्यते नन्ययादृशा स वै महाभागवतो महात्मा महानुभावो महतां महिष्ठः प्रवृद्धभक्त्या ह्यनुभाविताशये निवेश्य वैकुण्ठमिमं विहास्यति अलम्पटशीलधरो गुणाकरो हृष्ट्यः परध्या व्यथितो दुःखितेषु अभूतशत्रुर्जगतश्चोकहर्ता नैदाघिकं तापनिवोढुराजः.
First line after the comma, first word Hrishtaf.
Hrishtaf, okay.
Yeah.
अन्तर्बहिश्चामलमब्जनेत्रं स्वपूरुषेच्छानुगृहीतरूपं पौत्रस्तव पौत्रस्तव श्रीललनाललमं दृष्टा स्फुरत्कुण्डलमण्डिताननं
Drashta, second line. Drashta spurat.
द्रष्टा स्फुरत्कुण्डलमण्डिताननं मैत्रेय उवाच श्रुत्वा भागवतं पौत्रम् अमोदतदितिर्भृशं पुत्रयोश्च वदं कृष्णात् विदित्वा सीन्महामनाः इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्यां संहितायां तृतीयस्कन्धे इति कश्यपसंवादे चतुर्दशोऽध्यायः। ॐ शिवाय नमः।
अथ पञ्चदशोऽध्यायः। मैत्रेय उवाच प्रजापत्यं तु तत्तेजः परतेजोहनं दितिः दधार वर्षाणि शतं शङ्कमानासुरार्दनात्.
I think the first word Prajapatyam.
Prajapati. But is the tune okay? I may change it.
Slightly, but that's okay. Prajapatyam tu tattejaha.
Prajapatyam tu tattejaha. Now I got it.
Yeah.
Paratejohanam ditihi dadhara varshani shatam shankamana surardanat loke tena hata loke lokapala hatau jasaha nyavedayan vishvasrije ध्वान्तव्यतिकरं दिशां देवाऊचुः तमयेतद्विभो वेत्थ संविघ्ना यद्वयं भृशं न ह्यव्यक्तं भगवतः कालेन स्पृष्टवर्त्मनः देवदेव जगद्धातः लोकनाथ शिखामणे परेषाम् अपरेषां त्वं भूतानाम् असि भाववित् नमो विज्ञानवीर्याय माययेदमुपेयुषे गृहीत गुणभेदाय नमस्ते व्यक्तयोनये ये त्वानन्येन भावेन भावयन्त्यात्मभावनम् आत्मनि प्रोतभुवनं परं सदसदात्मकं तेषां सुपक्वयोगानां कृतश्वासेन्द्रियात्मनां लब्धयुष्मत् प्रसादानां न कुतश्चित् पराभवः यस्य वाचा प्रजा सर्वा गावस्तन्त्येव यन्त्रिताः हरन्ति बलिमायत्ताः तस्मै मुख्याय ते नमः.
In the first line, sarvaha, anga pause பண்றதுனால we added a visarga there. First line. Praja sarvaha.
Okay. Tesham supakvayo.
Next. Adu mudichtel. 8 mudichtel. 9th.
Yasya vacha praja sarvaha gavastantyeva yantrita haranti balimaya taha tasmai mukhyayate namah. Sattam vidatsvasham bhumam tamasa lupta karmanam adabhradaya drishtya आपन्नानर्हसीक्षितुं एष देवति दितेर्गर्भ ओच काश्यपम् अर्पितं दिशस्तिमिरयन् सर्वाः वर्धते अग्निरिवैधसि.
First line angiyum and the ditir garbha anga pause பண்றதுனால we put a visarga, added a visarga there. The first line la
dite garbha,
because we are putting a comma there, we put added the visarga.
esha deva diter garbha oja kashyapam arpitam dishastimirayan sarvaha vardate gnirivaidhasi. Maitreya vacha सप्रहस्य महाबाहो भगवान् शब्दगोचरः प्रत्याचष्टात्मभूर्देवान् प्रीणन् रुचिरया गिरा. ब्रह्मोवाच मानसा मे सुतायुष्मत् पूर्वजा सनकादयः चेरुर्विहाय सा लोकान् लोकेषु विगतस्पृहाः तयेकदा भगवतो वैकुण्ठस्यामलात्मनः ययुर्वैकुण्ठनिलयं सर्वलोकनमस्कृतं वसन्ति यत्र पुरुषाः सर्वे वैकुण्ठमूर्तयः ये निमित्तनिमित्तेन धर्मेणाराधयन् हरिं यत्र चाद्यस्पुमानास्ते भगवान् शब्दगोचरः सक्तं विष्टभ्य विरजं स्वानाम्नो मृडयन् वृषः यत्र नैश्रेयसं नाम वनं कामदुघैर्द्रुमैः सर्वर्तु श्रीभिर्विभ्राजत् कैवल्यमिव मूर्तिमत् वैमानिका सललनाश्चारितानि यत्र गायन्ति समलक्षपणानि भर्तुः अन्तर्जलेन विकसन् मधुमाधवीनां गन्धेन खण्डिताधियोऽप्यनिलं क्षिपन्तः.
On the first line, that on the charitani, we changed it to charitani. We removed the a there. Salalash charitani yatra.
Oh.
Okay.
वैमानिका सललनाश्चरितानि यत्र गायन्ति लोकशमलक्षपणानि भर्तुः अन्तर्जलेन विकसन् मधुमाधवीनां गन्धेन खण्डितधियोऽप्यनिलं क्षिपन्तः पारावतान्यभृतसारसचक्रवाक दात्यूह हंस शुकतित्तिरिबर्हिणाम्यः कोलाहलो विरमते चिरमात्रमुच्चैः भृङ्गाधिपे हरिकथाम् इव गायमाने मन्दारकुन्द कुरबोत्पल चम्पकार्ण पुन्नागनाग बकुलाम्बुज पारिजाताः गन्धेर्चिते तुलसिकाभरणेन तस्या यस्मिंस्तप सुमनसो बहुमानयन्ति.
The third line, tasyaha, Angim, we added the visarga because you put the comma. Tulasika bharanena tasyaha. On the
okay. Gandherchite tulasika bharanena tasyaha yasminstapa sumanaso bahumanayanti yatsankulam haripadanati matra drishtaihi वैदूर्य मारकत हेममयैर् विमानैः येषां बृहत् कटितटा स्मितशोभिमुख्यः कृष्णात्मनां नरज आदधुरुस्मयाद्यैः श्रीरूपिणी क्वणयति चरणारविन्दं लीलाभुजेन हरिसद्मनिमुक्तदोषा संलक्ष्यते स्फटिकपुड्य उपेत हेम्नि सम्मार्जतीव यदनुग्रहणोऽन्य यत्नः वापीषु विद्रुमतटा.
One second. Anga grahanenya yatnah. Last word. Yadanugrahanyenya yatnah.
Yadanugrahanyenya yatnah. நான் என்னமோ சொல்லிட்டேனா தெரியல. Okay, sorry.
You said grahanonya. Yeah, that's okay.
सम्मार्जतीव यदनुग्रहणेऽन्ययत्नः वापीषु विद्रुमतटा स्वमलामृताप्सु प्रेष्यान्विता निजवने तुलसीभिरीशम् अभ्यर्चति स्वलकमुन्नसमीक्ष्य वक्त्रम् उच्छेषितं भगवते त्यमताङ्ग यच्छ्रीः यत्र व्रजत्य यत्र व यन्नव यत्र
sorry, I was on mute. Yenna
व्रजन्त्यधि यत्र यन्न व्रजन्त्यघभिदो रचनानुवादात् शृण्वन्ति येऽन्य विषया कुकथामतिघ्नीः यास्तु श्रुता हतभगैर् नृभिरात्तसारा तास्तान् क्षिपन्त्य शरणेषु तमस्सु हन्त
I think that's where we stopped. I think that's where we stopped. And the third line of 23, one the saraha. That's a visarga there instead of the is. Nibirata saraha.
हत भगैर् नृभिरात्तसाराः तांस्तान् क्षिपन्त्य शरणेषु तमस्सु हन्त ये
I think that's where we stopped. I think Angadam we stopped. We stopped at 23, right?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. All right. So let me just, I think I didn't do much of the meaning of 15. So let me finish that today and then we'll go to the rest of the stanzas. So 15 kind of, we saw in 14 about, Diti getting pregnant. And then in 15, the starting, what was happening was that the Devas were feeling that everything was getting dark all over, right? And so they were actually wondering, why is that happening? And what was the impact of that? So they then go to Brahma and go and ask Brahma, why is everything dark all over the world? So then Brahma says, okay, let me tell you why it is happening and what was the cause of it. And then he starts talking about the Sanaka Rishis, right? He says that the 4 Sanakas who are there, who are the Manasa Putras of Brahma, so they have access to go beyond the material realm, right? So while Brahma and other devas, when they have to go meet Narayana, even they can only go up to a particular point, like Indra and others. There is up to a particular point they can go, but the Sanat Kumaras are able to go beyond that. So they actually go to the Vaikuntham, right, of this particular Brahmandam. That is a little bit of my assumption because they wouldn't go to the other broader from where every universe came. That may not be feasible. But anyway, so they go to this Vaikuntham where they want to now go meet Narayana. So these Sanakas and everything. So initially here, Brahma is talking about the description of the Vaikuntham that the Sanakas are seeing. So here he starts off by saying, first of all, everything in Vaikuntham is spiritual in nature. And what does that mean? Is there's nothing materialistic. So he talks about how in other worlds, when there is a tree, an apple tree can only create apples. An orange tree can only create oranges. It can only create it in a certain season. So it's bound by all these material constraints. And like a dog, as an example, will walk on its 4 legs. It has a certain structure. It has all of those things. But anything which is in Vaikuntham is not bound by anything which is material in nature. Which means if there is a tree in Vaikuntham, that tree is as spiritual and as full and holistic as Bhagavan himself. There is no separation between that tree. That tree can do whatever it wants. If there is an animal which is there in Vaikuntham or any creature, that can be whatever it wants. It can take any shape it wants. There is no difference between that and Bhagavan. So it talks about how everything in there is exactly the same. And even when Brahma was seeing Vaikuntham at one of the points, he spoke about how all the beings in Vaikuntham are also looking the same. Right? They all have Chaturbhujam. They all have the same color. They all look the same. They all look exactly like Narayana. So there's no difference between one person and another person there. So that's what he goes on to discuss, all of this. And then he talks about how they enter this forest area, or a forest in the sense a dense area which has got, let's say, flora and fauna things, like it's called Naishreyasam. So that's why this also comes in Narayaniyam, and here in the 16th stanza it comes Yatra Naishreyasam Nama Vanam Kama Dhugai Drumaihi. She says they're passing through this Naishreyasa, which is considered like a forest region. But even that, it's just, you can call it a forest, but it is also extremely spiritual in nature. It's not like the forest we may see in other worlds. So he goes on to discuss on how the beings which are in Vaikuntham, who are already liberated and sitting there, they can go anywhere they want in any of the worlds according to their wish. So here it says Vaimanika, which is referring to Vimanas, because that's the way we can understand this. We travel through air, right? So for a Vimana doesn't necessarily mean a plane. It just means to be able to transport yourself wherever you want. So any of the beings here can transport themselves to any of the worlds they want very easily without any problem. So they are able to have that access, right? So it kind of talks through initially, all of the description of the Vaikuntham and everything. So these Sanat Kumaras, they pass through, and then before that, Brahma says at one of the end of it, he talks about, in 21, he talks Sri Rupini Kvanayati Charanaravindam. He says anybody who has not that any of them have a gender, but if Mahalakshmi is there as Sri, If anybody wants to take a feminine gender, they are as equivalent as Mahalakshmi being there. There's no difference between them and Mahalakshmi. All the beings have the same spiritual energy because you're already liberated, right? So kind of that's what he talks about. And Brahma talks towards the end here, he talks about that everybody, all mortal beings have to listen to this description of Vaikuntham, because the only purpose why somebody would want to go to Vaikuntham is you don't want to do anything except service of the Lord, because that's all the beings there do. They don't have any other work to do. They don't have any karma to burn. They don't have anything else to do. The only thing they keep doing is worshipping the Lord. So all the beings who are born in the mortal world have to understand this, because then if you want to really do it, then that is a right destination for you to go to. And that's how Brahma describes that. Now, then he comes to the Sanaka Rishis now entering, right? So the Sanaka Rishis, because they are already spiritual beings, they're very enlightened beings. So they are able to cross through. They, first of all, are able to enter Vaikuntham, and then they're able to get through all these things. They pass through 6 gates of Vaikuntham. I'll tell you what those 6 gates are a little later. And then, when they enter through the 6 gates, they finally come to the 7th gate. In the 7th gate, they see two beings standing who look exactly like Narayana, who they both look exactly the same. They also have Chaturbhujam, and they are there protecting that 7th gate as an obstruction. And when the Sanaka Rishis go, these 2 beings then block the Sanaka Rishis, right? Now, this, when these rishis are able to open or get through every of these doors, door as not necessarily the human door, but they're able to get through all of these entrances very easily. But this one, they are not able to cross. Now, this is not in Bhagavatam, but one of the things which others have said, what those 7 doors are, is it talks through each of this is like a layer. So first is the door of faith, which is Shraddha, right? So first you have to have Shraddha. Without having faith, you can't go to the next level. First is a faith. Second is you need to respect. So there's a respect as in not the fear, but respecting Bhagavan and respecting everybody, all the other living beings. That's a second layer. Third is the door of detachment. So Vairagyam, so kind of letting go, right? And not getting attached to things. That's the third door of Vairagyam. Fourth is the door of knowledge, which is Jnana. Fifth is the door of Bhakti. 6th is the door of Shuddhi, which is purity. So these are the 6 doors which these Sanaka Rishis are able to cross through and get through. The last door is that of Sharanagati or Prapatti or surrender, right? So that is the door where they are getting blocked by Jaya and Vijaya. Now, like Bhattadripad says in Narayaniyam.
What is the 7th door?
7th is the surrender, Prapatti, Sharanagati.
Okay, thank you, Rajesh.
Okay. Complete surrender to the Lord, right? So,
Rajesh, what was 6th?
6th before Sharanagati was Shuddhi, purity.
What second, Rajesh?
Second is respect. Now, message anuparana. I'll send the list of 7 things, right? So it
Rajesh, I have a question. In the Shraddha, Bhakti, Allam irukrodhu Tannatane and the Sharanagati varada.
You still, I'll tell you why. Because that's what we're going to see here, right? That's exactly why they're getting blocked, right? So while the Sanat Kumaras, and it talks about how the Sanat Kumaras, of course, they are Manasa Putras of Brahma, right? And if you remember that conversation where Brahma said, please go create, they said, no, I will not. And because Brahma let them go, because Vasudeva Parayanaha, because they said, I'm going to be devoted to devotion, so you cannot block anybody who's going to go in that direction. So they were able to get through all these doors, which means they had everything that is there. Now, an obstacle is happening, right? And Bhattadripad says, Sarvam Bhavat Prerana Eva Nunam. He says, all of this Guru Vayappa is because you wanted this to happen. So some block is happening. That last aspect of surrender is, if something happens like that, what do you do if you're completely surrendering? You'll say, okay, that's what it is, right? That is surrender, right? Because then you will not worry about, I have all these 6 doors, I have all the qualifications, I have everything, I have the right to get in. You might have the right to get in, but you are not able to get in, right? So that is the 7th door, which is the aspect of Sharanagati or surrender. But what this Kumaras think is, how can we, who are the Manasa Putras of Brahma, who are so enlightened beings, and we have got through all of these things, and we have come to see Bhagavan, How are we not getting access into that? So Bhagavatam says very beautifully in 31st stanza, Kamanujena Sahasa. It says, Kamam Anuja. Anuja is a younger brother. So he says anger is the younger brother of desire, right? So these Sanat Kumaras still had one desire. They desire to see the Lord. They desire to see Bhagavan. And when your desire you don't get, what happens? You get angry or you get frustrated. So that's why it says, it doesn't say you are like, they are getting angry. They're saying Kamanuja. It says because of them not getting what they want, the younger brother of desire is kicking in. This one desire that they had, and that is then making them frustrated, right? That how are we not able to get access into this, right? So we should understand this. They cannot, such great rishis cannot get angry, right? But a little bit of the one desire they have is to see Bhagavan. So, but they're getting a little bit frustrated. And, they are saying all the beings in Vaikuntham are like Bhagavan. They are the same, and you and I cannot just go enter. Nobody can just enter into Vaikuntham. So the fact that we have entered into Vaikuntham already is a testament that I have all the qualities required to enter Vaikuntham. So who are these two beings who are to judge whether I have the quality or not to enter to the seventh one? So they're saying, how can you judge? Because you are like Bhagavan, you should know us. We are enlightened beings, right? So they question, saying that how are you both having this discriminatory power to decide whether we are right or we are wrong, or whether we have the capability or not, right? And that's what they start thinking. And they say, you both are having this thing because you are seeing duality between us and Bhagavan. Just like how I think you are same as Bhagavan, but you are seeing the duality. And because you are seeing this duality, you are still not ready for Vaikuntham. That's what Sanaka Rishis are feeling about Jaya and Vijaya, saying you are not in your right post. You have actually come a level down. So this is because of this, you have to go down and learn your lesson. And the lesson is how to get over desire, how to get over anger. So Kamam, Krodham, and Moham, right? How to get over these three things. And you have to get over these three things. And only then you can actually come. And again, they are not thinking of it as a punishment. So they're not punishing, and they say it very clearly. They say, we want to see how to make these people better. And to make these people better, they have to go through those experiences, which they will learn. They will come to the realization, and then you will come back, right? That's what the Sanaka Rishis are telling. So now, of course, when the Dwarapalakas find out that this is there, they know that they cannot do anything against. And the word Brahmana is getting used a lot. It is getting used in 15. It is also going to get used in 16 when Narayana comes and speaks. So we have to be very careful that the word Brahmana doesn't mean a person like me who's a Brahmin, right, wearing a punal. That's not what it is. It is referring to the great sages who are enlightened beings who are very high in stature, right? Not just anybody who can wear a punal and become a Brahmana, right? So that's what they are saying. So these Jaya and Vijaya are saying that a great Brahmana like this, Sanat Kumaras are thinking about this. There is nothing much they can actually do about it, right? So the only request they have is saying that, please, we are willing to do it, but please make sure that we don't lose that final destination of having to come back to Vaikuntham. So how can you accelerate how we can actually come back to Vaikuntham, because we do not want to miss it, right? So that's what the small request that the Jaya and Vijaya do to Sanat Kumaras, because they know that nothing can be done once the sages are spoken. And a little bit of it is going to come again in the 16th one when the Lord appears. So here towards the end, Bhagavan is finally coming out. After all this is over, finally, then Narayana comes out in the Chaturbhuja. He comes along with Garuda. It comes with Mahalakshmi and everybody. He makes an appearance there. So, of course, the Sanat Kumaras, who have actually seen Bhagavan in their mind, who have seen him in his mind, they have come here to get a darshan. So, when they're seeing the Bhagavan, they're getting very ecstatic. They're getting very happy about it. And then there is a description of the form of the Bhagavan pretty much from like 40 towards the end of it, from 40 to 45, there's a description of the Bhagavan, like how it normally is. You're coming with Chaturbhujam, you're in this color, very mandahasam, your smiling face, you're looking pretty. All of the description is there from 40 to 45. And then from 46 to end, it is a small stuti that the Kumaras do, because they're seeing Bhagavan. right? So they're saying that, we are getting this opportunity to see you. So, it is so hard to even get you in our minds. Now we are getting a chance to actually see you in person. So, they kind of do namaskarams, and there's a small stuti that comes towards the end. So with that, this chapter comes to an end. Next chapter is the conversation between Narayana and the Sanat Kumaras and Jaya Vijaya. So hopefully, I think Jayesh or somebody, hopefully that answered the question of the Sharanagati, right? Why they were not able to get through that door.
Got it. Thank you, Rajesh.
Okay.
Rajesh ji,
So,
so these all beings in Vaikundam are all energy forms, right?
are all energy forms. They can take any shape they want, any form they want.
So then what's the difference between them seeing in the mind and then actually seeing Bhagavan?
No, but the Sanat Kumaras are not in Vaikuntham though, right? They are just going to Vaikuntham. They are not in Vaikuntham. There is a difference, right?
Okay. So they still have like eyes.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah. So but the Sanat Kumaras again appear as, it says, they appear as 5-year-olds. Doesn't mean they have they are like humans who are 5-year-olds. It just
Okay.
means, it actually talks about while they are the most senior after Brahma, they appear like small children, which means they are really small in looks, and they don't wear anything. They can also take any form or shape they want, but they appear as small children who are like 5 years old. It appears like that, right? That's the form they are taking. But it talks about how even though they look like that, they are actually number 2 in terms of seniority, right? In terms of the age, if you think of it that way. Okay. But they can also take any shape or any form they want, but they decided to take that shape, or they decided to create that form, right? Okay, so we'll do from 24, right? Sindhuji, you can be a student, and Meera, you can be a student here. Since you're here. Anyway, I was going to pick you, so not just... Okay. Okay, 24. Ye bhyartitam api chano nrigatim prapannaha. So add a visarga there because we're going to put a comma there. Prapannaha. Jnanam cha tattva vishayam saha dharma yatra naradhanam bhagavato vitarantyamushya, comma, sammohita vitataya bata mayayate. Ye bhyartitamapi chano nrigatim prapannaha jnanam cha tattva vishayam saha dharma yatra naradhanam bhagavato vitarantyamushya sammohita vitataya bata mayayate.
ye bhyarthidamabhijano nrigadim prapannaha jnanam cha tattva vishayam sahadharma yatra naradhanam bhagavado vidarantyamushya sammohita vidadaya badamayayate. Once or twice?
Just one time, Sindhuji.
ये भ्यर्तितामपि च नो नृगतिं प्रपन्नाः ज्ञानं च तत्त्वविषयं सह धर्म यत्र नाराधनं भगवतो वितरन्त्यमुष्य सम्मोहिता विततया बतमायया ते.
I hope you're able to hear her, right? Because this should pick up from around the room. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yacha vrajantya nimisham. One word. Vrajantya nimisham rishabhanu vritya, comma, dure yamahyupari nas sprihaniya shilaha bhartur mitas suyashasah, ich sound, katananu raga, and then a plus, vaiklavya bashpa kalaya pulaki kritangaha. Yachabrajantya nimisham rishabhanu vritya dure yamahyuparinas sprihaniya shilaha bharturmitassu yashasah katananuraga vaiklavya bashpa kalaya pulaki kritangaha.
Yachabrajante nimisham rishabhanuvritya dure yamahyubarinas sprihaniya shilaha harturmidassu yashassa kadananuraga vaiklabhya bashpakalaya pulagikritangaha.
यच्च प्रजन्त्य निमिषां वृषभानुवृत्त्या दूरे यमाह्युपरि न स्पृहनीयशीलाः भर्तुर्मितः सुयशस कथनानुराग वैक्लव्यबाष्पकलया पुलकीकृताङ्गाः
तद्विश्व गुर्वधिकृतं भुवनैकवन्द्यं दिव्यं विचित्र विबुधाग्र्य विबुधाग्र्य विमान शोचिः आपुः परां मुदमपूर्वम् उपेत्य. I'm just breaking at that ma. Mudamapurvam upetya yoga, put a plus, maya balena munayas tadatho vikuntham. So with their maya balan, with their power of the energy that they have, yogic power, they're able to get there. Tad vishwagurvadhikritam bhuvanaika vandyam divyam vichitra vibudhagrya vimana shochihi आपुः परां मुदमपूर्वम् उपेत्य योग माया बलेन मुनयस्तदतो विकुण्ठम्
तद्विश्वगुर्वधिकृतं भुवनैकवन्द्यं दिव्यं विचित्रविबुधाग्र्यविमानशोजिः आभुः परां मुदमपूर्वमुपेत्य योगमायाबलेन मुनयस्तदतो विकुण्ठम्
तद्विश्वगुर्वधिकृतं भुवनैकवन्द्यं दिव्यं विचित्रविबुधाग्र्यविमानशोचिः आपुः परामुदमपूर्वमुपेत्य योगमायाबलेन मुनयस्तदतो विकुण्ठम्
तस्मिन्नतीत्य मुनयः षडसज्जमानाः कक्षास् समान वयसावत सप्त मायां देवावचक्षत गृहीत गदौ परार्ध्य पुट प्लस केयूर कुंडल किरीट विटंक वेशौ. Still discussing Jaya and Vijaya. तस्मिन्नतीत्य मुनयः षडसज्जमानाः कक्षा समान वयसावत सप्तमायां देवावचक्षत गृहीत गदौ परार्ध्य केयूर कुंडल किरीट विटंक वेशौ.
तस्मिन्नदीत्य मुनयः षडसज्जमानाः कक्षा समान वयसावद सप्तमायां देवावजक्षद गृहीत गदौ परार्ध्य केयूर कुंडल किरीट विटंक वेशौ.
तस्मिन्नतीत्य मुनयः षडसज्जमानाः कक्षा समानवयसावथ सप्तमायां देवावचक्षत गृहीत गदौ परार्ध्य केयूरकुण्डलकिरीटविकङ्कवेशौ.
मत्तद्विरेफ वनमालिकया निवीतौ विन्यस्तयासित चतुष्टय बाहु मध्ये वक्त्रं भ्रुवा कुटिलया स्फुट निर्गमाभ्यां रक्तेक्षणेन च मनाग्रभसं दधानौ. So raktekshana means rakta ikshana, red eyes. So that just means that the Jaya and Vijaya were getting little frustrated or upset about these beings trying to get through. Mattadvirephavamallikaya nivitau vinyastayasita chatushtaya bahu madhye vaktram bhruva kutilaya sputanirgamabhyam raktekshane cha managrabasam dadhanau.
मत्तद्दिरे भवनमालिकया निवीदौ विन्यस्तयासिद चतुष्टय बाहुमध्ये वक्त्रं भ्रुवा कुटिलया स्फुटनिर्गमाभ्यां रक्तेक्षणेन जमनाग्रभसं ददानौ.
मत्तद्विरे भवनमालिकया निवीतौ चतुष्टय बाहुमध्ये वक्त्रं भ्रुवा कुटिलया स्फुटनिर्गमाभ्यां रक्तेक्षणेन च मनाग्रभसं दधानौ.
द्वार्येतयोर् निविविशुर् मिशतोर पृष्ट्वा, मिशतोर अपृष्ट्वा, but you can say it together, मिशतोर पृष्ट्वा पूर्वा यथा पुरट वज्र कपाटिकायाः सर्वत्र ते विषमया मुनयः स्वदृष्ट्या ये संचरन्त्य विहता, one word, संचरन्त्य विहता विगताभिशंकाः
Rajesh, could you say the first line one more time, please?
Dvaryetayor nivivishur mishatora prishtva.
Thank you.
Dvaryetayor mishatora prishtva purva yatha purata vajra kapatikayah sarvatra te vishamaya munayasva drishtya ye sancharantya vihata vigata bhishankah.
द्वारे दयोर्निविविशुर्मिषदोर पृष्ट्वा पूर्वा यदा पुरडवज्र कवाडिगाय. Is it pa or wa?
Pa, P-A, kapatika.
Okay, I have wa. पूर्वा यदा पुरडवज्र कवाडिगायाः सर्वत्र ते विषमया मुनयः स्वदृष्ट्या ये सञ्चरन्त्य विगदाभिशङ्गाः.
वार्येतयोर्निविविशुर्मिषतोरपृष्ट्वा पूर्वा यथा पुरटवज्रकपाटिकायाः सर्वत्र ते विषमया मुनयस्वदृष्ट्या ये सञ्चरन्त्यविहता विगताभिशङ्काः.
तान् वीक्ष्य वात रतनांश्चतुरः कुमारान् वृद्धान् दशार्ध वयसो. Dasha ardha, so half of 10. That's what it's saying. They're like 5-year-olds, which means they just look at that size, maybe, right? That's what it's referring to, but it's referring to as 5-year-olds. Dasharda vayaso viditatma tatvan betrena chas khalayatam. I'm just breaking at that ma chas khalayatam. Next word will start with a. Now, my book did not have a da, so it's ata darhanam sthav. So if anybody is having my copy or a version of it, there is no da there. So it's ata darhanam stau, comma, tejo bihasya bhagavat pratikula shilau. Tan vikshya vata ratanam chaturah kumaran vriddhan dashardha vayaso viditatma tattvan vetrena chaskalayatam ata darhanam stau tejo bihasya bhagavat pratikula shilau.
ராஜேஷ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன்ல வாத்தர ஷனாம்ஸ் சதுர குமாரான் போட்டிருக்கு.
Yeah, but it's vata rashanamsh.
Okay,
It's not
vata.
vata.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so vata is one word. So vata rashanamsh chatura.
Okay, thanks.
The vata is referring to air. So they're saying just covered with air, which means there is nothing, right?
Thank you.
So Rajesh, we have to add a the in between a tha and a ha.
Yeah, you have to add if you don't have it in that book, yes.
Rajesh, on the third line over vaati sollidungo eppadi?
Vetrena chas khalayatam im. Next word starts with a ha. Atha darhanam stau. So you will not have a da between the ta and the ha.
But on the mala, we are not pausing, right?
We are not pausing, we're just breaking.
Okay.
Khalayatam atha darhanam stau and then a comma.
So Rajesh, your copy didn't have the va.
Yeah, mine did. Mine is the older version. So
in lyric. Okay.
Mine does not have it either.
तान् वीक्ष्य वादरशनां चतुरः कुमारान् वृद्धान् दशार्धवयसो विदिदात्मदत्वान् वेत्रेण चास्खलयदामददर्हणां स्तौ तेजो विहस्य भगवत्प्रतिकूलशीलौ.
तान् वीक्ष्य वातरशनांश्चतुरः कुमारान् वृद्धान् दशार्धवयसो विदितात्मतत्त्वान् वेत्रेण चास्खलयताम् अतदर्हणां स्तौ तेजो विहस्य भगवत्प्रतिकूलशीलौ.
ताभ्याम मिषत्स्व निमिषेषु, one word, मिषत्स्व निमिषेषु निषिध्यमानाः, स्वर्हत्तमा ह्यपि हरेः प्रतिहारपाभ्याम् ऊचुस् सुहृत्तम दिदृक्षित भंग ईशत्, कामानुजेन सहसा त उपप्लुताक्षाः. ताभ्यां मिषत्स्व निमिषेषु निषिध्यमानाः स्वर्हत्तमाह्यपि हरेः प्रतिहारपाभ्याम् ऊचुः सुहृत्तमदिदृक्षितभङ्ग ईशत् कामानुजेन सहसा त उपप्लुताक्षाः.
ताभ्यां मिषस्व निमिषेषु निषिध्यमानाः स्वर्हत्तमाह्यभिहरे प्रतिहारवाभ्याम् ऊजुः सुहृत्तमदिदृक्षिद भङ्ग ईषद् कामानुजेन सहसाद उपप्लुदाक्षाः
ताभ्यामिषत्स्वनिमिषेषु निषिध्यमानाः स्वर्हत्तमाह्यपि हरेः प्रतिहारपाभ्याम् ऊचुः सुहृत्तमदिदृक्षितभङ्ग ईषत् कामानुजेन सहसात उपप्लुताक्षाः
मुनय ऊचुः को वामिहैत्य भगवत् परिचर्ययोच्चैः तद्धर्मिणां निवसतां विषमः स्वभावः तस्मिन् प्रशान्त पुरुषे गत विग्रहे वां को वात्म वत् कुहकयोः परिशङ्कनीयः मुनय ऊचुः को वामिहैत्य भगवत् परिचर्ययोच्चैः तद्धर्मिणां निवसतां विषमः स्वभावः तस्मिन् प्रशान्त पुरुषे गत विग्रहे वां को वात्मवत् कुहकयोः परिशङ्कनीयः
मुनयोजुः को वामिहैत्य भगवत्परिचर्ययोच्चैः तद्धर्मिणां निवसतां विषमः स्वभावः तस्मिन् प्रशान्तपुरुषे गतविग्रहे वां को वात्मवत्कुहकयो परिशङ्कनीयः
मुनय ऊचुः को वामिहैत्य भगवत्परिचर्ययोच्चैः तद्धर्मिणां निवसतां विषमस्वभावः तस्मिन् प्रशान्तपुरुषे गतविग्रहे मां को वात्मवत्कुहकयोः परिशङ्कनीयः
न ह्यन्तरं भगवतीह समस्त कुक्षौ. I'm just breaking that va which is coming kukshavatma into two parts. So kukshau comma, then the va will go in the next line, becomes a a. So atmanam atmani. Okay, so atmanam atmani nabho nabasiva dhiraha pashyanti yatra yuvayos sura linginoh kim comma व्युत्पादितं ह्युदर ह्युदर भेदि भयं यतोस्य न ह्यन्तरं भगवतीह समस्त कुक्षौ आत्मानमात्मनि नभो नभसीव धीराः पश्यन्ति यत्र युवयो सुरलिङ्गिनो किं व्युत्पादितं ह्युदर भेदि भयं यतोस्य
न्यह्यन्तरं भगवदीह समस्तकुक्षौ आत्मानमात्मनि नभो नभसीव धीराः पश्यन्ति यत्र युवयोः सुरलिङ्गिनो किं व्युत्पादितं ह्युदरभेदि भयं यतोस्य
ह्यन्तरं भगवतीह समस्तकुक्षौ आत्मानमात्मनि नभो नभसीव धीराः पश्यन्ति यत्र युवयो सुरलिङ्गिनो किं व्युत्पादितं ह्युदरभेदि भयं यतोस्य.
We'll just switch. Jai Shri Shankar, you can be student, and Priya Shri Kumar. Tadvama mushya paramasya vikuntha partuhu, kartum prakrishtamiha dhimahi manda dhibhyam lokanito brajatam antara. I'm taking it brajatam antara bhava drishtya, papiyasas traya ime ripavosya yatra tadvama mushya paramasya vikuntha bhartuhu kartum prakristamiha dhimahi manda dhibhyam lokanito brajatamantara bhava drishtya papiyasas ime ripavosya yatra
तद्वाममुष्य परमस्य विकुण्ठभर्तुः कर्तुं प्रकृष्टम् इह धीमहि मन्दधीभ्यां लोकान्नितो व्रजतमन्तरभावदृष्ट्या पापीयशस्त्रय इमे रिपवोऽस्य यत्र
तद्वाममुष्य परमस्य विकुण्ठभर्तुः कर्तुं प्रकृष्टमिह धीमहि मन्दधीभ्यां लोकानितो व्रजतमन्तरभावदृष्ट्या पापीयसस्त्रय इमे रिपभूस्य यत्र
Teshamiti one word. Teshamiti Ubhava Vadharya. You cannot break that word. Ubhava Vadharya Ghoram, comma, Tam Brahma Dandam Anivaranam. If you want to break it, Dandam Anivaranam Astra Pughaihi Sadhyo Harer Anucharavuru Vibhyatastat, comma, Pada. The next one is a long word. Pada Grahava Patathamati. One word. Grahava Patathamati Katarena. Teshamiti ritamubhava vadharya ghoram tam brahma dandamanivaranam astra pughaihi sadhyo harer anuchara vuru vibhyatastate padagrahava patathamati katarena.
तेषाम् इतीरितम् उभाववधार्य घोरं तं ब्रह्म दण्डम् तं ब्रह्म दण्डमनिवारणमस्त्रपूगैः सद्यो हरेरनुचरावुरुबि एंग ब्रेक
Anucharavuru is one word. Anucharavuru
अनुचरावुरुबिभ्यतस्तत् पादग्रहावपतताम् अतिकातरेण
तेषामितीरितमुभाववधार्य घोरं तं ब्रह्मदण्डमनिवारणमस्त्रपूगैः सद्यो हरेरनुचरावुरुबिभ्यतस्तत् पादग्रहावपतताम् अधिकातरेण
Bhuyada Ghoni Bhagavad Bhirakari Dando, comma, Yo Nau Hareta Sura Helanam Apyashesham Ma Vonutapa Kalaya Bhagavad Smritigno, comma, Moho Bhavediha Tunau Brajatora Dhodaha. Brajator Adhodaha, but you can say it together. Bhuyada Ghoni Bhagavad Bhirakari Dando Yo Nau Hareta Surahelanamapyashesham Ma Vonu Tapakalaya Bhagavad Smritigno Moho Bhavedihatu Nau Brajatora Dhodaha.
भूयादगोनि भगवद्भिरकारि दण्डो यो नौ हरेत सुरहेलनमप्यशेषं मावोनुतापकलया भगवत्स्मृतिघ्नो मोहो भवेदिह तु नौ व्रजतोरधोदः.
भूयादघोनि
The last word, Brajatora Dhodaha.
Sorry, व्रजतोरधोदः. Got it, thanks.
भूयादघोनि भगवद्भिरकारि दण्डो यो नौ हरेत सुरहेलनमप्यशेषं मा वोनुतापकलया भगवत्स्मृतिघ्नो मोहो भवेदिह तु नौ व्रजतोरधोधः.
Evam Tadaiva Bhagavan Aravinda Nabha, comma, Swanam Vibhudya Sadadikramam Arya Hridyaha Tasmai Yayo Paramahamsa Maha Muninam. Put a im there, Muninam, comma. Next word, the ma will become a. Anveshaniya Charanau Chalayan Sahasrihi. Now big, the Bhagavan is saying Bhagavan Aravinda Nabha, one who's got a lotus eye which looks like the petals of a lotus. He's entering now. Evam Tadaiva Bhagavan Aravinda Nabha Swanam Vibhudya Sadadikramamarya Hridyaha Tasmin Yayau Paramahamsa Mahamuninam Anveshaniya Charanau Chalayan Sahasrihi.
एवं तदैव भगवान् अरविन्दनाभः स्वानां विभुत्य सदतिक्रममार्यहृद्यः तस्मिन् ययौ परमहंसमहामुनीनाम् अन्वेषणीयचरणौ चलयन् सह श्रीः.
एवं तदैव भगवान् अरविन्दनाभः स्वानां विभुत्य सदतिक्रममार्यहृद्यः तस्मिन् ययौ परमहंसमहामुनीनाम् अन्वेषणीय चरणौ चलयन् सहश्रीः
Tam Twagatam Pratihritaupaikam. One word. Pratihritaupaikam Swapumbihi. Visargan comma. Next line, the is, if you have it, that will go away. Te chakshataksha vishayam. Te chakshataksha vishayam swa samadhi bhagyam hamsa shriyor vyajanayosh shiva vayu lolat. So put a it at the end of that line, comma. Now in Sanskrit, if you have ich and a chu, right, we're just breaking that thing. So it becomes a it at the end of that line. The next line will become su. Subhrata patra. Subhrata patra shashi kesara shikarambum. So I'm just breaking that ich and a chu into a it and a su. Okay. Tam twagatam pratihritaupaikam swapumbhihi te chakshataksha vishayam swasamadhi bhagyam hamsa shriyor vyajanayo shivavayu lolate subhrata patra shashikesara shikarambum.
Tam tvagatam pratihritaupaikam swapumbihi te chakshataksha vishayam sasamadhi bhagyam hamsashriyor vyajanayo shivavayulolate subhrata patra shashikesara shikarambam.
तं त्वागतं प्रतिहृतौपैकं स्वपुंभिः ते चक्षताक्षविषयं स्वसमाधिभाग्यं हंसश्रियोर्व्यजनयो शिववायुलोलत सुभ्रातपत्रशशिकेसरश्रीकराम्बुम्.
Like, whatever they were visualizing in their mind, what they've seen, now they're seeing it in person, and they're thinking it is, the bhagyam, their boon, that their blessing, that they're able to see it. And now the description goes of what they're seeing. Kritsna prasada sumukham sprihaniya dhama, comma, snehava loka kalaya hridi samsprishantam shyame pritavurasi shobhitaya shriya, put a plus, swash, so shriya swash, chudamanim subhagayantam ivatma. I'm just breaking that me. Subhagayantam ivatma dishnyam. Kritsna prasada sumukham sprihaniya dhama sneha baloka kalaya hridi samsprishantam shyame pritavurasi shobhitaya shriya swashtudamanim subhagayantam ivatma dishnyam.
Kritsna prasada sumukham sprahaniya dhama snehava kalaya hridi samsprishantam shyame prithaburasi shobhitaya shriya swasthudamanim subhagayantim ivatmadishnyam.
Subhagayantam ivatmadishnyam.
Subhagayantim ivatmadishnyam.
Subhagayantim, you are saying. Subhagayantam ivatmadishnyam.
Sorry. Subhagayantam ivatmadishnyam.
Yeah.
Thank you.
कृष्ण प्रसाद सुमुखं स्पृहणीयधाम स्नेहावलोककलया हृदि संस्पृशन्दं श्यामे पृथापुरसि शोभितया श्रिया स्वश्चूडामणिं सुभगयन्दमिवात्मधिष्ण्यम्.
पीतां शुखे पृथु नितंबिनि विस्फुरन्त्या, comma, काञ्च्यालिभिर्, in and ich, काञ्च्यालिभिर् विरुतया वनमालया च वल्गु प्रकोष्ठ वलयं विनता सुतांसे, comma, विन्यस्त हस्तमितरेण धुनानम् अब्जम्. पीतां शुके पृथुनितंबिनि विस्फुरन्त्या काञ्च्यालिभिर्विरुतया वनमालया च वल्गुप्रकोष्ठवलयं विनता सुतांसे विन्यस्तहस्तमितरेण धुनानमब्जम्.
पीतां शुके पृथुनितंबिनि विस्फुरन्त्या काञ्च्यालिभिर्विरुतया वनमालया च वल्गुप्रकोष्ठवलयं विनता सुतांसे विन्यस्तहस्तमितरेण धुनानमब्जम्.
पीतां शुके पृथुनितंबिनि विस्फुरन्त्या काञ्च्यालिभिर्विरुतया वनमालया च वल्गुप्रकोष्ठवलयं विनता सुतांसि विन्यस्तहस्तमितरेण धुनानमब्जम्
विद्युत् क्षिपन् मकर कुण्डल मण्डनार्ह put a plus गण्ड स्थलोन्नस मुखं मणि मत् किरीटम. So those two lines together. Dor danda shanda vivare harata parardhya, another plus. Harena kandhara gatena cha kaustubhena. Vidyut kshipan makara kundala mandanarha gandastalona samukham manimat kiritam. Dordanda shanda vivare harata parardhya harena kandhara gatena cha kaustubhena.
विद्युक्षिपन्मकरकुण्डलमण्डनार्ह गण्डस्थलोन्नसमुखं मणिमत्किरीटं दोर्दण्डषण्डविवरे हरतापराद्य हारेण कन्धरगतेन च कौस्तुभेन
विद्युत्क्षिपन्मकरकुण्डलमण्डनार्हगण्डस्थलोन्नसमुखं मणिमत्किरीटं दोर्दण्डषण्डविवरे भरतापरार्त्यहारेण कन्धरगतेन च कौस्तुभेन
अत्रोपसृष्टमिति चोत् स्मितम् इन्दिरायाः कॉमा स्वानां धिया विरचितं बहु सौष्ठवाड्यं मह्यं भवस्य भवतां च भजन्तमङ्गं कॉमा नेमुर्निरीक्ष्य नवितृप्त दृशो मुदाकैः. अत्रोपसृष्टमिति चोत्स्मितमिन्दिरायाः स्वानां धिया विरचितं बहुसौष्ठवाड्यं मह्यं भवस्य भवतां च भजन्तमङ्गं नेमुर्निरीक्ष्य नवितृप्तदृशो मुदाकैः.
अत्रोपसृष्टमिति चोत्स्मितम् इन्दिरायाः स्वानां धिया विरचितं बहुसौष्ठवाड्यं मह्यं भवस्य भवतां च भजन्तमङ्गं नेमुर्निरीक्षण वितृप्तदृशो मुदाकैः.
अत्रोपसृष्टमिति चोत्स्मितमिन्दिरायाः स्वानां धिया विरचितं बहुसौष्ठवाढ्यं मह्यं भवस्य भवतां च भजन्तमङ्गं नेमुर्निरीक्ष्य नवितृप्तदृशो मुदाकैः.
तस्यारविन्द नयनस्य पदारविन्द किञ्जल्क मिश्र तुलसी मकरंद वायुः अंतर्गतस्वविवरेण चकार तेषां संक्षोभम अक्षर जुषामपि चित्ततन्वोः. So Aravinda, so when they are seeing, not only is it pleasing to the eyes, but also the smell of tulasi that they are getting, which is entering through their nostrils, is also making them very pleasing to their mind. So both for their eyes as well as within their mind, they are actually feeling very ecstatic seeing Bhagavan standing in front of them. Tasyaravinda nayanasya padaravinda kinjalka mishra tulasi makaranda vayuhu antargatasva vivarena chakara tesham sankshobam aksharajusham api chittatanvoho.
Rajesh, after the first line, is a plus or comma?
Yeah.
After padaravinda, there is a plus. Then after tesham, there is a comma.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rajesh.
அப்புறம் ராஜேஷ் லாஸ்ட் லைன்ல சங்ஷோபம்
संक्षोभम अक्षर.
ஓகே. तस्यारविन्द नयनस्य पदारविन्द किञ्जल्कमिश्र तुलसी मकरन्द वायुः अन्तर्गतस्वविवरेण चकार तेषां संक्षोभमक्षरजुषामपि चित्ततन्वोः.
तस्यारविन्दनयनस्य पदारविन्दकिञ्जल्कमिश्र तुलसी मकरन्द वायुः अन्तर्गतस्वविवरेण चकार तेषां संक्षोभमक्षरजुषामपि चित्ततन्वोः.
Te va amushya vadanasita padma kosham. Put a im, comma. Next, the mu becomes a u. Udviksha sundara taradhara kunda hasam. Labdhashisha punaraveksha tadiyam angri. I'm just breaking that ma. Tadiyam angri and then put a plus. Dvandvam nakharuna mani shrayanam nidadyuhu. Deva amushya vadanasita padma kosham. Udviksha sundarataradhara kundahasam. Labdhashishah punaraveksha tadiyam angri. Dvandvam nakharuna mani shrayanam nidadyuhu.
Deva amushya vadanasita padmakosham udvikcha sundarataradhara kundahasam labdashishah punaraveksha tadiyam angri dvandvam nakharuna manishrayanam nidadyuhu.
Deva amushya vadanasita padmakosham udvikshya sundaratarathara kundahasam labdhashishah punaraveksha tadiyam angri dvandvam nakharuna manishrayanam nidadyuhu.
Here it says the Padma Kosham. Padmam is lotus. Padma Kosham means in the center of the lotus, right? So it says as if like the face of Bhagavan was appeared to them as if it was in the center of a blue lotus, because it's dark blue, the grayish in color. So it felt like that was in the middle of the blue lotus, Kosham in the center. Pumsam gatim mrigayatamiha yoga margaihi visarga comma. Next line, the ir will go away. Dhyanaspadam bahu matam nayanabhiramam paumsnam vapur darshayanam. I'm bringing at the ma. Darshayanam ananya siddhaihi visarga comma. Next, the rau will become a au. Outpattikais samagrinan yutamashta bhogaihi. So when Brahma is describing this form that the Sanaka Rishis are seeing there, he says this is the form which everybody meditates on who are in the yoga marga. When we go through Ashtanga yoga, when you're meditating, and this is the form even Krishna will tell later Uddhava in the 11th skandam about when you're meditating, what form you have to imagine, right? Which we've seen several times, the description. Anyway, he's saying this is the form which everybody is seeing, and Brahma says this is not imaginary form. You know, this is the form that people or beings who have seen Bhagavan have seen him in this form. Doesn't mean that's the only form he has, but that's the form they all see because that is a form which is suitable for meditation for everybody.
Rajeshji, so this section that we just learned, who is saying that?
Brahma.
Oh, so the Munaya Uju also means Brahma.
No, that is the conversation, but the Brahma's description is coming like it's like they didn't separate it out. Like it just continues, you know, it's like there is no separate point where they're saying Brahma is continuing. Brahma is telling the story. And in between that, the Munis are, the Sanat Kumaras are talking with Jaya and Vijaya. That is the Munaya Uchuhu. And at some point, it has already transitioned, I think from 36 or something. When Bhagavan comes, then it is just a description of the Lord, right? So that Brahma is telling.
Okay. Thank you, Rajesh.
Pumsam ghatim mrigayatamiha yoga margaihi dhyanaspadam bahumatam nayana bhiramam paumsnam vapur darshayanam ananya siddhaihi outpattikai samagrinan yutamashta bhogaihi.
Pumsam gatim mrigayatam iha yoga margaihi dhyanaspadam bahumatam nayanabhiramam paumsnam vapur darshayanam ananya siddhaihi outpattikai samagrinan yutam ashtabhogaihi.
Pumsam gatim mrigayatamiha yoga margaihi dhyanaspadam bahumadam nayanabhiramam paumsnam vapur darshayanam ananya siddhaihi outpattikai samagrinan yutamashtabhogaihi.
We'll switch. Let's see, but most people are not here today. Okay, and Uman, do you want to be one of the students? Next 15, 20, 16 minutes. And then Sriram, you can be a student. Kumara.
Sriram drive பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கார்.
Can you be Jayashree?
Yeah.
Okay. So for Kumara Uchuhu. So this is where the small stuti that the Kumaras are doing because they're seeing Bhagavan. So just few stanzas of that. Yontar hito hridi gatopi duratmanam tvam, comma, sodhyaiva no nayana moolam ananta raddaha yarheva karna vivarena guham gatonaha, comma, pitranuvarnitaraha bhavaduddhavena. Kumara uchuhu yontarhito hridi gatopi duratmanam tvam sodhyaiva no nayana moolamanaantaraddhaha yarheva karna vivarena guham gatonaha pitranuvarnitaraha bhavaduddhavena.
Bhavena போட்டிருக்கு ராஜேஷ்.
Huh?
Bhavadudbhavena.
Bhavadudbhavena. Sorry. Yeah, my bad. Yeah.
Kumara uchuhu yontarhito hridi gatopi duratmanam tvam sodhyaiva no nayanamoolamanaantaraddhaha yarheva karna vivarena guham gato naha pitranuvarnitaraha bhavadudbhavena.
Kumara uchuhu yondarhido hridi kadobi duratmanam tvam sotyaiva no nayana moolam anandarataha yarhyeva karna vivarena guham kadonaha pitranuvarnitaraha bhavadudbhavena.
And I'm so used to seeing the Uddhava, the the coming underneath of it that by default it just goes as Uddhava, Uddhavena. Tam tvam vidama bhagavan paramatma tattvam, comma, satvena samprati ratim rachayantam esham yattenu thapa viditair dhrida bhakti yogaihi, visarga, comma. The next ru will become a u. Udgranthayo hridi vidur munayo viragaha.
Rajesh, see the third line. The first word is tatena or yattena.
Yattenu tapa.
Okay, thank you, Rajesh.
I have it as tattenu.
Okay, just change it to yattena. I don't know what the difference is, but just to be consistent. Tam tvam vidama bhagavan paramatma tattvam satvena sampratiratim rachayantam hesham yattenu tapa viditai dhrida bhakti yogaihi udgranthayo hridi vidur munayo viragaha.
Tam tvam vidama bhagavan paramatma tattvam satvena sampratiratim rachayantamesham yattenu tapa viditair dhrida bhakti yogaihi udgranthayo hridi vidur munayo viragaha.
Tam tvam vidama bhagavan paramatma tattvam satvena sampradiradim rachayandamesham yattenu taba vididai dhrida bhakti yogaihi udgrandayo hridi vidur manayo viragaha.
Natyantikam viganayantyapi te prasadam, comma, kintvanyat. So in and it there. Kintvanyat arpita bhayam. I'm just breaking at the da. Arpita bhayam bhuva unnayaiste yenga twadhangri sharana bhavatah kathayaha, comma, kirtanya tirtha yashasah kushala rasagnaha. Natyantikam viganayantyapi te prasadam kintvanyad-arpita bhayam bhuva unnayaiste yengattvadhangri sharana bhavatah kathayaha kirtanya tirtha yashasah kushala rasagnaha.
Natyantikam viganayantyapi te prasadam kintvanyad-arpita bhayam bhruva unnayaiste yengattvadhangri sharana bhavatah kathayaha kirtanyatirtha yashasah kushala rasagnaha.
Natyantikam viganahyantyabhi te prasadam kintvantyat arpida bhayam bruvas unnayaiste yengat त्वदङ्घ्रि शरणा भवदः कदायाः कीर्तन्य कीर्तन्यतीत यशः कुशला रसज्ञाः
कामं भवस्व वृजिनैर्निरयेषु न स्तात्. Put a it there, stat, comma. Next you have a ich in the next line, that will go away. Chetoli vadhyati nute padayo rametha vachascha nas tulasi vadhyati tengri shobhaha, comma. Puryeta te guna ganai yadi karna randraha. So again, this is the stuti, right? So there's space in the Lord. One of the prayer here is saying that even if you are born in the worst of conditions for any reason, right? In this birth or next birth, or if you're suffering there, the prayer is, please make sure that my heart and my mind is still continuing to engage in you. It's okay that if I'm in a bad situation, but let me not lose sight of where I should focus on. कामं भवस्व वृजिनैर्निरयेषु नस्तात् चेतोलि बध्यति नुते पदयो रमेत वाचश्च नस्तुलसि बध्यति तेङ्घ्रिशोभाः पूर्येत ते गुणगणैर्यदि कर्णरन्ध्रः.
कामं भवस्व वृजिनैर्निरयेषु नस्तात् चेतोलिबध्यदि नुते पदयो रमेत वाचश्च नस्तुलसि बध्यदि तेङ्घ्रिशोभाः पूर्येत ते गुणगणैर्यदि कर्णरन्ध्रः.
कामं भवस्व वृजिनैर्निरयेषु नस्तात् चेदोलिवत्यदि नु ते पदयो रमेद वाशश्च नस्तुलसि वत्यदि देङ्घ्रिशोभाः पूर्येत ते गुणगणैर्यदि कर्णरन्ध्रः.
प्रादुश्चकर्त यदिदं पुरहूत रूपं, comma, तेनेश निर्वृतिम, I'm just breaking at the ma, avapuralam drushonah tasma idam bhagavate nama idvadhema, comma, yonatmanam durudayo bhagavan pratitah. Just doing a final namaskarams.
Rajesh,
Good.
third line la idva va idvidhema va.
Idvidhema.
Okay.
प्राधुश्चकर्त यदिदं पुरहूत रूपं तेनेश निर्वृतिमवापुरलं दृशो नः तस्मा इदं भगवते नम इद्विधेम योनात्मनां दुर्दयो भगवान् प्रतीतः.
पुरुहूत रूपं.
What did I say? Oh, puruhuta rupam. Yeah, sorry.
प्रादुश्चकर्थयदिदं पुरुहूतरूपं तेनेश निर्वृतिम् अवापुरलं दृशो नः तस्मा इदं भगवते नम इद्विधेम योनात्मनां दुरुदयो भगवान् प्रतीतः.
प्रादुश्चकर्त यदिदं पुरुहूतरूपं तेनेश निर्वृतिम् अवापुरलं दृशो नः तस्मा इदं भगवते नम इद्विधेम योनात्मनां दुरुदयो भगवान् प्रतीतः.
श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्यां संहितायां तृतीयस्कन्धे जय विजययोस् सनकादि शापो नाम पंचदशोऽध्यायः.
इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्यां संहितायां तृतीयस्कन्धे जय विजययोः सनकादिशापो नाम पंचदशोऽध्यायः.
Shapam as in, like, they say that you're going to go down. You're going to go down to go get this benefits. It's not necessarily like a curse, but it's going one level down. It's considered like a curse. Apdi.
इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्यां संहितायां तृतीयस्कन्धे जय विजयो सनकादिशापो नाम पंचदशोऽध्यायः.
Jaya Vijayayos.
Jaya Vijayayos Sanagadi Shapo.
We'll do a couple of stanzas. Brahmo Shodashodhyayah. Brahmo Vacha. Iti Tad Grinatam Tesham, Muninam Yoga Dharminam Pratinandya Jagadedam, Vikuntha Nilayo Vibhuhu. Brahmo Vacha. Iti Tad Grinatam Tesham Muninam Yoga Dharminam Pratinandya Jagadedam Vikuntha Nilayo Vibhuhu.
ब्रह्मोवाच इति तद्गृणतां तेषां मुनीनां योगधर्मिणां प्रतिनन्द्य जगादेदं विकुण्ठनिलयो विभुः
ब्रह्मोवाच इति तत्कृणदां देशां मुनीनां योगधर्मिणां प्रतिनन्त्य जगातेदं विकुण्ठनिलयो विभुः.
Sri Bhagavanuvacha etau tau parshadau mahyam, jayo vijaya evacha kadarti kritya mam yadvo, bahvakratham, one word, bahvakratham atikramam. Sri Bhagavanuvacha etau tau parshadau mahyam jayo vijaya evacha kadarti kritya mam yadvo bahvakratham atikramam.
श्रीभगवानुवाच एतौ तौ पार्षदौ मह्यं जयो विजय एव च कदर्थीकृत्य मां यद्वो बह्वक्रातामतिक्रमम्
श्रीभगवानुवाच येदौ तौ पार्षदौ मह्यं जयो विजय एव च गदर्धीकृत्य मां यद्वो बह्वक्रादाम् अधिक्रमम्.
Yes, Tvetayor Dhrito Dando, Bhavadbhir Mam Anuvrataihi, Sa Evanumatosmabihi, one word, Evanumatosmabihi, Visarga, on top of that mu there is a ir that will go away, Munayo Deva Helanat. Yes, Tvetayor Dhrito Dando, Bhavadbhir Mam Anuvrataihi, Sa evanu matosmabihi munayo deva helanat.
यस्त्वेतयोर्धृतो दण्डो भवद्भिर्मामनुव्रतैः स एवानुमतोऽस्माभिः मुनयो देवहेलनात्
यस्त्वेतयोर्धृतो दण्डो भवद्भिर्माम् अनुव्रतैः स एवानुमतोऽस्माभिः मुनयो देवहेलनात्.
2:30. So we'll stop here. Shri Hare Namaha, Shri Hare Namaha, Shri Hare Namaha. Gopika Jeevana Smaranam Govinda Govinda. Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai. Kahen Havacha Manasendriye Va Buddhyatmana Va Prakrite Swabhavat Karomi Yatyat Sakalam Parasmai Narayanaayeti Samarpayami. Thank you, everyone. Next
Thank you
week's
so much,
class we'll
Rajesh.
discuss online because we're running late now. I'll leave immediately, but we can discuss whoever wants to join. You can do a review. I'm not going to be able to join. I'm out. So if most people are not available, we can cancel. But if people want to join to review, you can do that as well.
We'll have a
Okay.
break, Rajesh.
Thanks,
That's fine.
Rajesh.
Whoever wants to break can break. Yeah, that's totally fine. You know, we can skip next week's
Rajesh,
class.
go more on vacation trips. We'll get more holidays.
Idea. Okay. All right. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Rajesh.
Rajesh.
Bye. Thank you.